How to buy Tether on Paxful. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipan, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Tether on Paxful. Well, for beginners, simply create an account and log into your account. Once you're logged in, once you signed up, you'll get a free wallet where you can store your USDT. All you have to do is select a payment method, enter the amount you want to spend in your preferred currency and hit find deals. Read each offer and review the terms and conditions. Check out the rates selected by sellers as well as the reputation score and reviews to access their creditability. When you find an offer that suits your requirement, confirm the amount you will pay and start the transaction. This will open a live chat where you can communicate with the seller in real time. So here I'm having some error at the moment, hence I'm not able to show you. But you can just follow my guide here. During the transaction, the seller will give you more information on how to proceed. You'll have to follow the instruction carefully and confirm the transaction when you have made the payment. Once the seller has validated the payment, they will send your USDT held securely in your escrow directly to your Tether wallet. Once you have completed the transaction, you can spend your Tether balance on anything you want or transfer it to another wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.